Welcome to a little NavVis video about large equipment relocation. In the scenario today, we are asked to prepare and execute packaging and relocation of the forklift group, the stuff around the forklift, from one fab to another. The target is marked, and I also have to prepare setup and installation. So we seem to be in some kind of an industrial environment. There's a door, probably this is where the forklift needs to go through. So let us search for the forklift first. I typed in F, full text search, and I see all points of interest that contain F. Automatically, the route is being calculated, no matter where it is. I go in over the mini-map. And here is the forklift. The point of interest can contain all kinds of data. In this case, it seems to contain a user manual. And as I have to package it and transport it, I need to know the dimensions of this group. About 6.5 meters long. (2.40 meters) high. And let's say 3 meters wide. So I know how big the truck needs to be, or the container, and how much space I will need in Fab 2. In order to plan where to set it up, I opened the point cloud, standard deliverable after a scan, in a program called Cloud Compare. Any CAD program can open NavVis point clouds like this. And also, I already cropped out the forklift group. Also, I already imported the group actually again into the same instance. So I'm not really going to use two different fabs for this demo. I will just re-import the same point cloud into the instance. Here's the original forklift group, and here's the one I re-imported. And if I had to plan proper setup, this is how I would do it. I would just move it in until it fits snugly. I'm satisfied. I can also check for collisions by looking at it in single color mode, and of course I would see that there are a lot of collisions in that area, for example, so I wouldn't really set it up like this, but just as an example. When I'm happy, I save it, and then I can go back into the instance, look at the point cloud, in reality what I would do is I would measure in cable length and some pipes or data cables that I need to charge the forklift, for example, at the new destination. The technician could already prepare those so that when they arrive, they can be hooked up immediately and I don't lose additional time. And as a nice gimmick, I could also, for example, install some smart meters that, for example, show the charging status of the forklift or the temperature or humidity inside the generator or whatever it is that I'm interested in. And I can do all of this remotely. So sitting at home, I can prepare all these things and there will be no surprises that the door is too small or that I forgot a pillar and therefore it doesn't work. If I need additional help, I can just create points of interest somewhere and ask people to take additional pictures or measure things really precisely. Works pretty well.